Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the cooling fan in a Chuwi FreeBook. So this is the 2024 model. I just recently got the 2026 version that just came out. I just got that 2 days ago. They're a very great laptop, but this one started making noise. I'll play a clip of why I'm replacing mine. So I got this off at AliExpress for I think less than 20 bucks. And all other models, this fits other Chuwi models as well. So I'll have that in the description of this video. So here is the new fan. So all you're gonna need is a Phillips. So we're gonna flip this to the back side. The rubber feet has came off. And that's probably because of me, because I use this on a daily for multiple customers. I'll meet up with them or they come to me and we sit there, do designs and all that. So this gets used a lot. So these two on the back side by the hinges, would it been a rubber boot, you just peel those off to gain access to the two Phillips. So all of these is small, and then these are the longer ones. So I'm going to remove each one and set them to the side. But other than that, this laptop still works very good. I haven't really messed with the new one, the new version of this shit. They have made some slight changes, but other than that, it's housing and everything is pretty much identical beside the speaker and all that. I'll have a separate video comparing the 2024 model with the 2026 model. All right, after this, got one more screw. Alright, and then you can lift up from the back side and you gain access to the battery, motherboard, the SSD, and this is the cooling fan. So we're gonna set this to the side. So now to gain access to this, you wanna move this cover. Alright, clean that and then lay some new adhesive down. And then you got access to two more screws right here, also Phillips. Lay that right there. And then the plug is right here. We also want to lift up this adhesive black strip. You're gonna set that to the side. And then for the tab, what you want to do is pull on both sides and pull straight back. And that disconnects the fan. So now what you want to do is compare, and they are the same. Then you want to double check that everything looks pretty much the same. So I see a slight change on the AliExpress. It got a little opening here, but the original doesn't. So part numbers are the same though. Get the camera focus. So model YY600-4H05S, same DC volts and amps, and both made in the same location. So will this be better? Don't know. But it's also the same company. So this might have been upgraded because same brand. So who knows? So goes down this way. I do see, I forgot I put the screws there. I do see some of these fins is clogged with dust. That's from the 2 years of usage. So I'm gonna get a brush. We're gonna clean those out. Or you can use an air nozzle. And we'll be right back. So this is one way you could do. Use like an old paintbrush. And just scoop that out. This side is clean. It's just this side. Alright, I'm gonna get an air nozzle. You can see some of the dust. What's this? I don't see no dust build up in there, so that's good. So now we go back to installing this. Set it right there, and then this is supposed to be facing down, so this is the side supposed to go in. Push that all the way in, and then we're going to use that black strip. And we're just going to glue that, hold it back down. And then now we're going to put the 2 fillets back in. All right. All right, now we're going to put this, I'm going to try to line this back up to where it was. And it should still stick. All right. And then to put this, I'm gonna put the front side first. I'm not sure if the microphone picked up them small clips you hearing or not. I mean, fully seated. And then we're going to, for the hinges, it's the longer screws. It's only 2, the rest is smaller. So we're gonna put those in. And then all the rest is these tiny screws. And voila, that's how you place your cooling fan in a Chuwi FreeBook. All other models that use the same exact cooling fan, I'll link it in the description of this video. So in the upcoming video, you'll see me replace the battery. Also on the same Chuwi laptop, the one on this gave out. So the only way it stays on is being hooked up to a charger. So I'm gonna play a clip of the new fan. All right, so I got hooked up to the charger. I'm almost clean, I gotta clean it. There we go. Yep, it's fixed. But other than that, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.